You see the difference with it, without it? When I first started editing on Capcut PC, I didn't know that you can create shadow for your pictures. I only know how to create shadow for text by just selecting the text and scroll down to shadow and just enable it, and the text has shadow behind it. And I know most of you all are struggling with this, like it was for me when I first started. I didn't know how to create shadow for pictures, so I had to use another software to create shadow for the pictures and drag it in Capcut. So today I'm gonna show you how to create shadow in Capcut. Let's go. This is an edit I'm working on, and as you can see, I got pictures that have shadow behind them. So I'm gonna use the pencil picture to show you how to create the shadow effect. And I'm gonna delete the shadow I've already created so I can redo the process so you can see how to do it. So let's go here and delete the shadow. Okay, now I only have my picture layer, my pencil here. So first thing you're gonna do is duplicate this layer, make another layer like this, and for now you can disable the top layer like this, and now we're working on the bottom layer. And next thing we're gonna do is go to adjustment, go to curves, and in the Luma just drag this down all the way down like this. Okay, and go to basic and set the saturation to -50 like this. And as you can see, it is black already. So next thing we're gonna do is drag a blur effect on the picture. So go here in effects, I'm already on effects, and drag the blur effect on the picture and increase the blur like this. And as you can see, it is already looking like a shadow, natural shadow. And for now we can enable the top layer, and we already have our shadow. Now we can just play with the opacity of the shadow. Just select the bottom layer and go to blend and drag down the opacity just around here. Okay, good. So this is it, guys. We've just created shadow for pictures. You can do it on every picture as long as the picture has no background in it. I hope it helps, guys. So don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.